हेलो एवरीबॉडी। अगर आप फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम चाहते हैं, अगर आप वेल्थ क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, हैव कम टू द राइट प्लेस। आप सही जगह पे आए। वेलकम टू फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम विद प्लैनेट वेल्थ यूट्यूब चैनल, पॉडकास्ट चैनल एंड फेसबुक लाइव। ये जो चैनल मैं चला रहा हूँ, इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि मैं इन्वेस्टर कम्युनिटी को ऐसी एक्शनेबल आइटम शेयर करूँ ताकि वो अपनी फाइनेंशियल वेलबींग और फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम अचीव कर पाए। आज की ये जो वीडियो है वो मेरी आईपीओ सीरीज में अभी जो न्याका की आईपीओ जो एफएसएन ई कॉमर्स वेंचर्स लिमिटेड इज दी कंपनीज नेम और ब्रांड नेम इज न्याका, उसकी जो आईपीओ 28 अक्टूबर से शुरू हो रही है। तो वो आईपीओ इन्वेस्टर कम्युनिटी के लिए क्या लेके आ रही है, अगर यू शुड इन्वेस्ट इनटू इट, और आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है तो आपको इमीडिएट गेन के लिए करना है या लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए करना है। ये जो सारे क्वेश्चंस इन्वेस्टर कम्युनिटी के दिमाग में होते हैं, उसकी आंसर देने की कोशिश, कोई एनालिसिस करने की कोशिश आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं। आई एम ब्रजेश Parikh. I am father of two lovely kids, husband to a living woman. I am an entrepreneur now turned into a health coach, and I am on a mission to help unlock families like yours to live a financially very free life and achieve financial freedom during their life. और वैसे इसी मिशन को आगे बढ़ाते हुए चलिए देखते हैं कि यहाँ का आईपीओ आपके लिए क्या लेके आ रहा है। तो सबसे पहले यहाँ का कंपनी के बैकग्राउंड के बारे में बात करते हैं। एफएसएन ई कॉमर्स वेंचर्स लिमिटेड इज द कंपनीज नेम। Nyaka is engaged in retail, online business, and offline with a diverse portfolio of beauty, personal care, and fashion products. The company was formed in year 2012 and is heading to be not only a lifestyle retail platform but also a popular consumer brand. It operates in two business verticals: Nyaka Beauty and Personal Care, and Nyaka Fashion Apparels and Accessories. The online channel is accessible through mobile application and website, among which the mobile app is popular as 4.37 crore cumulative app downloads were witnessed as of March 31st, 2021. With this, it has become one of the largest mobile application-based retail platforms. Mobile app contributes 86.7% to the online gross merchandise value, which is GMV. Nyaka also has 73 physical stores spread across prime cities of India. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द न्याका स्टोरी। हमने दो उसके बिजनेस वर्टिकल के बारे में बात किया था, तो उसकी कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है सेक्टोरियल। आप देख सकते हैं कि एफवाई 2019 में 98.30 वेर फ्रॉम ब्यूटी एंड पर्सनल केयर एंड 1.71 फ्रॉम द फैशन। वहां से चेंज होते हुए एफवाई 2021 में, सॉरी एफवाई 2022 में, ब्यूटी एंड पर्सनल केयर got reduced to 93.04 and the fashion increased to 6.96, and the FY21 में the beauty and personal care got reduced to 83.55 and the fashion has been increased to 16.64 16.45%. So its beauty and personal care offering is quite extensive with 197,195 SKUs from 24676 brands as of March 31, 2021. That is 1,97,195 stock keeping units from 2467 brands March 31st, 2021. With the launch of its mobile app in 2012, it gained significant market share in the segment. It outsources and the manufacturing of the product and sells them under its various brands such as Nyaka Cosmetics, Nyaka Naturals, and K Beauty, etc. The fashion is relatively new as it was launched in the year of 2018. As of financial year 21, it housed 1350 brands and over 1.8 billion stock keeping units with fashion products across four consumer divisions: women, men, kids, and home. However, as shown in the chart, the contribution from fashion product is increasing. Now, what are the competitive strengths of the company? One of the India's leading specialty beauty and personal care companies, major brands offering their products on Nykaa platform for sale, capital efficient business with strong growth and profitability, company's advanced technology platform, and founder led company with an experienced management team are the competitive strength of the company. Now, what are the concern or risk? The valuation looks very expensive. Margins in online business look unsustainable. It benefited from COVID. return to near normalcy to taste business model, fashion and expensive business, threat of competition and disruption in business model, and quarter 1 FY22 results were tepid, operating margins were low. Now let's look at the financials of the company. The company faced net losses of rupees 24.54 crore and rupees 16.34 crore in the FY19 and FY20 respectively. However, the profitability improved significantly in FY21 and it has registered a profit after tax of rupees 61.95 crores. The net profit margin in FY21 was 2.54%. Now let's look at the industry outlook of the industry, retail industry, all over retail industry in India. India has second largest urban population in the world. Generation Z and millennials account for 70% of the smartphone users in India, which are also active consumers of social media content. This has made Indian retail industry a huge opportunity. The beauty and personal care segment is projected to grow at a CAGR of 12% to reach 1981 million rupees in 2025, implying a CAGR of 7.7% from the pre-COVID-19 market in 2019. The fashion market is projected to grow 18% CAGR over the next 5 years to reach rupees 8702 billion by 2025. So the industry in which the company is operating shows a very bright outlook, right? Now, what are the objects of the issue? Issue के क्या object है जिसके लिए company ये issue ला रही है? So, investment of rupees 420 million in certain of their subsidiaries, namely FSN Brands and or Nyaka Fashion, for funding the setup of new retail stores. Rupees 420 million towards capital expenditure to be incurred by the company and investment in certain of their subsidiary, namely Nyaka E-Retail, Nyaka Fashion and FSN Brands for funding the setup of new warehouses. Rupees 1560 million towards repayment of or prepayment of outstanding borrowings availed by the company and one of their subsidiaries, that is Nyaka E-Retail. Expenditure rupees 2340 million to acquire and retain customers by enhancing the visibility and awareness of the brands and general corporate purposes. So you can see that it is using the funds raised from the IPO into investments, new investments, right? So that is the best part of this issue that they are investing into growth of the company. Now, what is our recommendation? The Nyaka IPO is one of the most awaited other among others and has created a lot of excitement among the investors. The macroeconomic scenario has looked favorable, making the industry outlook positive. The trend is growing in urban areas as well as tier 3 and tier 4 cities, which presents huge headroom for growth in the industry. As far as the company specific factors are concerned, the company has a strong e-retail hold, also has offline channels to build brand propositions. Both the segments, beauty and personal care and fashion, have seen good traction in last several years. The company has performed well given the COVID hit financial year. It has also been successful at retaining its customers. In FY19, of the total customer base, 55% were existing customers, rest were new customers. And if FY21, 70% customers were the existing customer and clearly reflecting value delivered by the company and customer loyalty towards the company. Talking about the financials, the top line has been strong, but profit after tax margins have been poor. But the overall financial position and business model looks comfortable. So we recommend that our investors to invest in the IPO from the long-term perspective. Since the valuations are on the high side, we do not anticipate any listing gains. Otherwise, if the market is positive, then you may have some listing gains, but the overall benefit you will be gaining is from the long-term perspective. So invest from the long-term perspective. That is what we recommend to our viewers, right? So this is what brings Nyaka for you. अगर आप इस तरह के की नॉलेज लेना चाहते हो और इफ़ यू विश टू फोकस ऑन कीपिंग एंड ग्रोइंग योर मनी, तो आप मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करके उसको सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दीजिए सो दैट यू विल रिसीव update notification as and when I upload any new video blogs. You can also read my blogs at www.planetworld.in or https.blog.planetworld.in. You can also listen to my podcast on the anchor.mf/Parik and all other leading podcast platforms such as Spotify, etc. My channel name is Financial Freedom with Planet Wealth. You can also view excellent personal finance videos, bite-sized videos on the moneycraft.com. You can like my Planet Wealth page so that you keep on getting updates from that page. You can also join Financial Wealth group of Facebook. Or the best way to keep connected is to store my WhatsApp number 9328190022 as Planet Wealth, and then send a WhatsApp message to me. Add me your name करके भेज दीजिए so that I will add your name into my personal financial literacy broadcast group. तो आई होप आज की ये जो छोटी सी वीडियो नया का फैशन जो आईपीओ आ रहा है उसके बारे में आपको मैंने रिलीज किया, आपको वो अपनी वेल्थ क्रिएट करने में, आपको डिसीजन लेने में वेदर यू शुड इन्वेस्ट इट और व्हाट यू शुड एक्सपेक्ट बाय इन्वेस्टिंग इनटू दिस आईपीओ, उसके बारे में आपको हेल्प करेगी. मैं गॉड शावर एबंडेंट वेल्थ यू. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.